Looks like there's a strong storm outside on the 4th of July, so there won't be no fireworks as much. It's fun to always get a little record of the storms. I know this one seems a bit strong. How's it sound? It's always risky. Hear that wind and strength. Whoa! Daytime storm. It was scary to be outside during these. Yeah, branches start falling down during the storms. Some storms make me tremble. They're certainly mighty enough to make you get startled. But if the wind's getting any stronger, you'd have to get out of here. The leaves are actually falling. Branches break off. Yeah. That's the danger standing near a tree. Here comes the rain. Oh! Man. The power of that storm. Yep, there goes the branch fall. It's actually so strong it's blown off the branches, actually. That's some pretty powerful wind. Wow. It's not good to be outside during these kind of storms. Oh man, that's some strong wind. It's literally blowing the trees. What's the miles per hour? 30? Over 30. For it to do, it's got to be 30, 40, or 50. I'll have to close this. Yeah, here comes the rain. Yep, people usually run during that. Just to get the heck out of there. Sure is wild during the storm. Just lots of rain, heavy rain. Can I zoom in? Yeah, I see that. Oh, it's just freaky how strong these can be. People running over there. I wouldn't be out one of these usually. It's best just to get safe. Lightning could be a danger. Strike the... Whoa! Yikes. Power of nature. more higher than us.